Today I will be showing you how to buy USDT using your local First Citizens bank account and/or your Republic bank account in Trinidad and Tobago. To do this, you will first need to create an OKX account and pass KYC Level 1 if you have not already. A link to OKX Crypto Exchange is provided in the description. If you already have an OKX account that has passed KYC Level 1, check for a video timestamp to skip this part. Let's get into it. Click on the Verification tab, which can be found in the Overview section of your account. Now that you have opened the Verification tab, fill out all the required fields with your personal information. Keep in mind that the information you see in the video is just for demonstration purposes. Once verified, move on to the next step. Follow the example shown in the video to get to the peer-to-peer marketplace, or click the link in the description that says peer-to-peer profile. It will redirect you to my peer-to-peer profile. This works for both mobile and PC. Now that you have found my USDT buy ad, click it and follow the instructions. Input the amount you want to buy, followed by Buy USDT. At this point, all you need to have is a First Citizens bank account or Republic bank account with some funds in it. Click the option to pay, that is the same as your bank account. Refer to the video to see how to choose between my payment details. On mobile, you will see seller's payment details with a blue bottom to switch between my banking information. Having selected the bank details that are under the same bank you are paying with, take the information and pay exactly as the ad says based on your earlier input. After you have paid, send me a screenshot or photo in the chat and click Payment Completed. Funds are usually released in less than 2 minutes after you made the payment. If you need any assistance, you can contact me via Telegram, link in the description. Thanks for watching.